Dallas Cowboys tie in with the Built for Tough Player of the Week award has been nothing but great for high school football. Now there's a new award for the Coach of the Week, and Whataburger has jumped on board to help sponsor this outstanding award. East Texas should have plenty of nominations. Each winner will be announced, and then at the end of the season at the Cowboys-Colts game at AT&T Stadium, all 10 coaches will get to go on the field in front of 90,000 fans to be recognized. That's a pretty sweet deal right there. The Whataburger Coach of the Week. Go select all the East Texas coaches you can. Nominate them by going to DallasCowboys.com. That is in the community section of the website. As I mentioned, all 10 of those guys will be recognized on the big stage, if you will, at AT&T Stadium. Love to see that right there. That's how fast the news business works here. Got the selfie out on East Texas Food Bank, the Go Orange, and there we are.
That's a great picture.
Glad John Adams snuck in there. He got in the back there. Good stuff right there. Already getting a lot of retweets there, but thanks again, Carolyn. What a great idea.
And the Food Bank does such an amazing job meeting the need, but the need grows all the time, and support is
Our execution was fairly good, I will say that.
You did a fine job.
Thank you very much.
Good work.
Excellent photography. Thank you.